Hello. How you guys doing today? It's a beautiful morning. I'm gonna start off my day with some XJ TGIF. It is Friday today, so thank God it's Friday. But I don't think it means thank God it's Friday. I think it's thank God I'm fly, as they should. They are fly. XG. I feel like there hasn't been a group that I've been captivated by in a minute like this. I am all for XG. I'm rooting for them. I like them all as a whole. I think they're all freaking talented. But I guess my fave is Hinata. But no, like my fave is Hinata, but I was like, all of them are badasses. Bad B, you know what I'm saying? Baddies, you know what I'm saying? And I'm gonna be seeing them live at Head in the Clouds, and I'm excited. If you are going to Head in the Clouds, say hi if you see me. I would love to, like, you know, conversate a little bit. You know, meeting y'all is always a good time. But yeah, without further ado, let's check out XG's TGIF. I haven't heard that phrase in such a long time. You already know, y'all. Hit that like button, subscribe, follow me on the Instagram. I do Twitch as well. I got Discord, all link in the description. And go support the music video and go stream this. Well, without further ado, when I'm with my ladies, okay, I guess we're starting off with Harvey. Let's get it, let's go, let's begin. Off the bat? Okay. True. You better pour in. 10 out of 10. Yes, Miss Ma'am. I know. Up. What? That's cute. I like that. That's so badass too. Ooh, what is this high fashion? Yes. Body. Ooh, is that Ninetales or is that a wolf? F. Woo! Hey. Thank God I'm fly. Ooh. Okay, Coconut. I call it. Wait, hold up. I call it true. I love Harvey's like ad libs and everything. Like even in Girl Gang, we're so savage. Cute, but also talk that shit, Harvey. Talk that shit. I call it true. I love it. Whoa. What in was that? A PS2 graphics of XG? What is this? Ooh. Never in my life I ever thought I was gonna hear a rap with IG. What is it? I'm so Tahiti, hot and breezy. Ooh, okay, here we go. Shout out Tahiti. Off the Heezy? Sorry for pausing a lot. On the IG, YT, and TT? Damn. Me. Same. Woo. True. Alright, no more. Ooh. The hair. Hey. I'm blessed. Bro, every time I hear XG, it just hypes me up. Oh. What in God's name was that? Oh. Ooh. Thank God you fly. Hey. Ooh, Miss Man with the hair. Is that Coconut? Wait, this time it's Hinata. Last time it was Harvey, right? I think. Yeah. We don't need no fire cause we already high. Yeah, I'm with my ladies and the party don't stop. Stop. Oh, she's a doll. I just realized. Hey, Head in the Clouds. Ooh. Peanut butter cup. Okay. Peanut butter cup. Ooh. Damn. I don't know how I'm gonna act when I see them live, y'all. I've been waiting for this day to just get blown away. You better walk that walk. Oh, what is this? Oh, they on a different level, y'all. It's the confidence for me. It's the swagger for me. I don't even use that word swagger anymore. Y'all got me using words that I retired. Dang. TGIF. Thank God I'm fly. Oh shit, shout out to Faux Squad. Hey, give him a view. You know, go check out the reaction. I know that shit gonna be hype. Off the heezy. Off the bat, we start off with Harvey. Like no rest, no warning, just bop. Ooh, the outfits. The graphics, the post-production and editing. You better. That's all she gotta say. I know. Yeah. You know what? Up. What? Nothing on you. Flaunt it. Slay. Body. TGIF. Thank God I'm fly. This is gonna be a vibe. This is a vibe. I can't wait for this whole album to come out. Oh, this is out already. I call it true. Never cooler. Solar. Show up. Hey, I'm blessed. Thank God I'm fly. Hey, I love it. Anything that makes me feel good about myself and just wants to hype myself up and just play this in the background while, like, you know, I dress up. I call it true. And we don't need no fire cause we already hot. Yeah, I'm with my ladies and the party don't stop. So we gon' bring the fire, drop it like it's higher than the clouds. I am all that way up. Yes, I like it. I'm gonna turn up to it. I'm gonna go get ready. I'm gonna take off these clothes and put on new clothes to this song. Like this video, share this video, subscribe, go support XG, link in the descriptions down below. And I'll see you guys next time when I see you. Alright, y'all? Follow the Instagram, and peace.
Hey! You better subscribe.
If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on JREAMERS. I'm there every day.